Hi Mike, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to play Friend of the Devil by the Grateful Dead. It's a really nice little folky, picky song. It's kind of fun to play. I'm sure that when they played it, they had probably 3 guitar players, but I'm going to show you how I play it with 1 guitar. So let's get started, all right? It starts out with this chord. So the first chord is going to be your 3rd finger down here on the 5th fret of the D string. Your 2nd finger is going to be on the 4th fret of the G string. And your 1st finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the B string. And then it's got sort of this, I don't know, sort of a banjo, folky guitar, sort of a picking to it. It's kind of a... sort of a picking thing. And each time it strums that, you strum that, you change your fingers on your left hand. After you're going to do that, then you're going to lift your 3rd finger up. You're going to take your 2nd finger and move it up 1 string to the D string on the 4th fret. Then you're going to take both of these fingers and slide them both up 2 frets to the first position up here. Then you're going to lift your 2nd finger up. From there, you're going to land, you're going to make a C chord. You're going to take your 2nd finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the D string, your 3rd finger and put it on the 3rd fret of the A string. Lift up your 3rd finger, put your 2nd finger on the A string on the 2nd fret. Lift it up, open. Then land on a G chord. That's going to be your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the E. Your 2nd finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the A string. And your pinky is going to go down here on the E string on the 3rd fret. It's a neat little progression. So I'll play it through one time here, which about as fast as they play it. So that's the verse. From the verse it goes to the chorus, and the chorus is going to be these 3 chords. It's going to be a D major, an A minor, So a D chord, if you're unfamiliar with it, I'll show you. It's the 2nd fret of the G string, 3rd fret of the B string, then the 2nd fret of the E string. Then it goes to an A minor, which is the 2nd fret of the D string, 2nd fret of the G string, and the 1st fret of the B string. It goes D, A, D, A, and then back to the D. And that would be the chorus. And then from there it goes back to this. There's a bridge section that they actually play twice on this song, which is unusual. Usually they play the bridge once on a song, but this one they do it twice. And it's going to be the D chord again, and the C major. Then it goes back to the D chord. Then it does the A minor, the C, and the D again. So I'll play through this really quick. I'll do the verse, the chorus, and then I'll play the bridge, and I'll put it all together for you, okay? So. That's the chorus. Now here's the bridge. Picks up on the D chord again. Goes to the C, D, A, C, D. Then back to that part. Then it ends on a D chord like that. So that's a really fun song to play. Like I said, I think the Grateful Dead had at least 3 guitar players playing it at the same time. So it's a very busy song if you listen to a recording. But I recommend you learn these basic chords, then play along with the song from beginning to end if you can. It's always best to do that. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free to subscribe, and it helps us out a lot. And thank you, and have a good day.